Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to Parklea Market, my driver and I.
Hello everybody.
So he's been a good boy today, taking me to, because they say that there's some, sorry about the rock and rolling. Anyway, they have this Hawaiian food, right? So that's what we're after. We're gonna go and get us some food and do us a little mukbang in the car. I should be looking here, not there, but I think I'm looking at the darling night. Anyway, when we get us some food, guys, we're gonna share it with you guys. Ay, si Baile abe di ilia po kalifani pong walang abe. Yeah, when he drives, I panic. When I drive, everyone should panic. Yeah, okay. So we're here at the market, and it's really horrible today, but it's good for the garden. Yeah. Yeah, my little money. Yay! Yeah. See, I get my pocket money, $100. But nah, he's telling me to pay it back. How rude. Yeah. Lily. Lily. Okay. Well, there's a lot of cars here today, guys. It's pretty full for a horrible day. Ooh, I got in this car. So we're gonna have some copyright music inside, guys. See this Parklea Market? We're gonna have some copyright music inside, so we'll just be like
I'd eat dessert all day, folks. From the factory, I'd eat it every
ice
day, all day.
cream. Ice cream.
Do you want that?
Okay, the reason I'm here is to get, where is he? Oh, look at him. Look at him. Probably buying him an ice cream or something. Okay, I'm just gonna go. He can find me later. even looked for the. I saw someone post that up. How you been? Oh, nice.
Okay, come back after.
Okay, I will. Come here, darling. No, come. Come on, stop here. Stay here. So. Oh, sorry. So what's selling here? Oh,
We got
yeah.
steamed pudding, feijoa and lollies,
Oh, yeah.
Premier creams. We got pineapple lamb ice cream, orange Jaffa chocolate chip ice
I'm
cream.
going to Melbourne, so I think I'll need this. They said it's compulsory, eh?
Oh yes, yes.
Yeah.
You get a cow shower one, yo.
And can I have a pudding,
You
please?
sure can.
When I have me one of these. Oh, you got a cookbook out.
Yeah, it's a
Wow.
pre-made cookbook I done for my grandmother.
Wow, good on you. I'll give me a book.
Thank you.
Oh, how lovely.
How's your day going?
Oh, not too bad. We just got here.
Oh, nice. So it's one. So it's got my grandmother's one there, and then it's got. I've got two at the back and the front.
Yeah.
And then you fill it in and put ones in and stuff.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
Oh, lovely to see you.
Lovely to see you too.
Oh, we gotta get a selfie. Please. It's 44.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that mine? Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry, sorry. I get it myself. Oh.
Hi.
Hello, Marcus. How are you?
Good.
You still work for the travel agent?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
I'm
No, unfortunately, yeah, you
not at the
know.
moment. What have we got?
I got the all type.
Watermelon or mango?
Both. I already paid the girl.
Yeah, all good.
Is your store?
Yeah.
Oh, good on you.
Thank you. And you got a plate as well.
Yes.
Comes with the plate.
Okay.
You all
Thank
good
you
with
very
that?
much. This is my mukbang for the car.
Thank you.
Thank you, Marcus. Good to see you. Got my food. Look what I've got. I've got the Parklea, and it comes with rice. Okay, it comes with rice. Let's see what's in this one. It's a mixed barbecue plate. Oh, looks delicious. Look at that. Yum. Maybe it comes with a couple of pineapples there. Yum. Darling, are you sure you don't want to go back and get you one of these? Oh, and guys, look, I got me a steamed pudding. That's from Crystal. And I got me an ortai, pineapple and watermelon one. Yum. But look at the food, guys. Look at the food, Gano. Go back and get you one. You're going to miss out. You're going to miss out. Oh. And you can't ask for any because it's all mine.
Mayonnaise.
I don't know what it is, but you're going to miss out and you can't scam. Sorry. You should go and get you one.
I got a seafood basket.
Yeah, that's for now. What about later?
I'll worry about that later.
Oh yeah, you got a fish to cook. Looks delicious.
I gotta have bananas. Cheap. $1.50.
Oh, well,
The banana is $3.50 down the
it's
hallway.
$1.99 here.
$1.50 over the Indian.
But oh yeah, the owners of the other place.
Yeah.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
another thing too. I want to buy there too.
Look at this, guys. Kina. I love kina. This is my husband's, but hey, what's his is mine, and what's mine is mine. Okay, guys, have some. I know some people look at it and go, ew, but it's not ew, guys. It's delicious.
New Zealand, Kina.
Are you sure you don't want to get another one? What if it finishes? Okay, here guys. Oh, nice. The food is called the Big Hawaiian grinds. So this is the food that I got. It gives you like 2 pieces of Finley barbecued pork, and then you got the beef there, you know, and a piece of chicken, macaroni, and I made a prayer. Yeah, and then gives you rice. I don't know what this is, but should be nice. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna do a little prayer. Okay, guys, it's time to eat. It's only rice. My throat is foggy. Oh, and what did you get? My husband got
You want a bright bread?
Okay, thank you. Okay,
Look up
so
Kina.
he got
Seafood basket. Kina.
fried bread.
Bright bread.
Look at this, nicely thinly sliced, and bite, guys. The marination is delicious. Darling, the light is here. So you look here, then it's like you're looking at a camera, okay?
Okay.
So I have a turn to talking.
Well,
Oh, what's this?
hope everybody's good.
This is like a marshmallow. Marshmallow, pineapple. It's alright, eh? It's nice.
Because I'm good. Now what I mean is I got something good to eat.
The fried bread is from Caffey's. I don't have the butter. The butter's in my bag and I can't be bothered. But the fried bread is so spongy.
I'm not good. The food is good.
All the food is good.
Yep. Nice.
No. No change. This is like marshmallows and stuff. It's different.
Marshmallow in the salad.
Mm. Don't look at mine. Okay, I'll look at yours.
Now I'm thinking
Prawn cutlet.
marshmallow in the salad.
Mm-hmm.
Where did that come from?
Mm. The food is so lovely. Mm. This is nice, darling. You still got your plate.
I'm more of a seafood person.
And I'm more of a meat.
Love my fish.
Love my meat.
Anything from the sea, it's meat.
Anything from the land, that's me too. This is really nice. And the owner of this place, his name is Marcus. What? He works at Flight Centre. And I remember he was the first Flight Centre person that treated, you know, like me as a customer with consideration and very helpful, you know. You know, you get served sometimes at places and they don't really go out of their way. You can tell that they can tell you more or be helpful more, but they really don't. At least you ask for it. So, but this guy Marcus, oh, he helped so much, even with ideas that I didn't even know that you can even, you know, request of them. So that's really good customer service, Marcus, if you ever watch this.
Things like what is the right time to book a seat, because there are certain time in the day that the seats on the plane is cheaper. And he said, oh well, not him but somebody else. They said it's between 11 and 12
At night.
at night. During that time, the airline will drop the price of their seats low. After an hour, you go back up again. So it's just a matter of watching.
And waiting.
Yeah. I mean, you save $100, a couple of $100, you know, all the better. But you're not gonna come out and tell you openly. But there are people.
That's helpful.
It's called share the love.
Right, you sharing your love, right, darling?
Oh yeah,
Yeah, my car may popping up.
the more the merrier.
Pepelo, yeah. Thank you.
Only because I had breakfast this morning.
Yeah.
That's the truth. Otherwise, hands off. Nah. This is my darling.
What baby? No.
What's mine is hers. What's hers is hers.
I am completely mine. Oh, look at behind that pool.
Anyway, on the bright side,
The food is good.
it's good. Yeah, they're rolling out the vaccine for this COVID thing that's going around. So that's good. And then hopefully soon they're gonna start opening the borders and be back and
Business.
travel. You know, I myself, I miss seeing my family in New Zealand, in the islands. The good side of what has been like a year and a half. Couldn't go anywhere, stuck. So, yeah.
This food is so tasty. Just our way pack. They've been there now for like a month. Oh no, how long? I can't even remember. Look at me. All I think about is this food. How delicious it is. Very nice.
What did I have for breakfast?
Bread.
Peanut butter sandwich, and a cup of coffee.
And he knew we had a mukbang. Oh, look at this. Yeah. This is beef spare ribs.
Anyway, I should say peanut butter sandwich. I should say peanut butter sandwich.
Nee, dat is toch niet koffie.
No, because when you go into survival mode, anything goes.
Survival mode is like eating cockroaches and all that in the bushes.
Oh, well,
Peanut butter is not survival.
like Rambo said, he eats things that make a belly go puke. Remember Rambo? Yeah. But that's Rambo.
He just poops. This was really nice. Daddy. Okay.
Anyway,
Share. Do you want one of these?
no.
Oh, well, it was too busy if you're
Anyway,
the story.
one time we went fishing. I don't think she goes out fishing much, but one time I took her fishing, netting, and we caught some sardines, little. Anyway, we start putting the sardines in the
Oh,
buckets.
man. This food is so tasty. Yeah, sorry, Daddy.
Yeah.
Just this food
And then
is
I grab a
delicious.
sardine and start cleaning. She said to me, "Oh, what are you doing?" I say, "I'm gonna eat it." When I was eating the sardine, the head is in my mouth, and the tail was like this. And then she said, "Oh, it's still alive." And I said, "The fresher, the better." She couldn't believe it.
And I can't remember it.
Well, must have been somebody else.
Must have been his other sugar mamas.
It's homemade. And the food is nice, warm. This fish is so fresh, it's got the scale, still got the scale on it, see?
Try to swim back away from your mouth. The chips are nice too.
Yeah. Mussels. Mussels. New Zealand green lip mussels.
Are you sure you don't want this piece of pork?
No. Told you I'm a seafood.
Okay. You're lost.
Again.
Wait. That's so good, man.
Okay.
Who's talking to?
Well, I'm in passing. Look at it. Look like a Maori.
So what? What are you saying okay for?
No, if you want some. Fish.
This is so good, man.
You know this fish? Not a New Zealand fish.
No. They do export their fish from overseas.
Yeah, not this one. The mussel is a New Zealand mussel. But this fish must be, I don't know.
It's that tasty. I just eat the meat, the blubber. So guys, come down to Parklea Market and have some food. It's not far from Caffey's caravan, but it's outside. Why it's outside is because they barbecue.
Get jab. You're not vaccinated. Look after yourself and your family. Make sure they all get their jabs.
Look at this jab.
And then you come and get this jab. Like,
I must be a free concern. This is so nice, darling. I think you'll have to go back and get us another.
no.
This is lovely. Look at the blubber. You want to eat the blubber?
I just eat the blubber.
Yes, I eat it every day. Oh, yum.
Anyway, thank you.
Hey, I've got to show you guys the otai.
I'm all done.
I said otai, not all done. So there they sell this is, I don't know what otai. I wonder if it's mango. Man, if it's mango, woo!
Mango
Well-
pineapple.
How do you know?
I heard them say
Oh,
it's mango.
no.
Is there mango?
It's like it's got apples in it.
Oh man.
Yum. Yeah, we'll retire it.
Yep. Damn peanut butter sandwich.
This is lovely.
Give me a go. Give me.
I'm not sharing.
Give me the water. Give me the water.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not sharing my otai. I told you
On
that.
the floor. On the floor. On the floor.
I told you, get yours because we're not sharing.
Yeah, I had my car cleaned this morning. That's why I say put it on the floor. Not on the seat.
You have to look after me for better or worse, sickness and health.
True.
Yeah, well,
That's why I give you $100.
oh, is it for free?
No.
Well, that's so sad. Look at this, guys. This is salmon poke. They call it poke, but we call it salmon raw fish. This flame keeps going down, down, down. So we're gonna give this a try, guys. I'm sure it's as delicious as the apple here. Wait, yeah. I was hoping it would be tuna. Oh, that's nice. Oh, got a bit of kick. Whoa.
A good raw fish is wahoo. Wahoo is a good raw fish.
Oh, just about any fishes.
But the best, snapper.
Yeah.
You get
So, no, try it.
snapper fillet. Make a raw fish with snapper. No sushi can match it. There's no sushi can match a snapper raw fish.
This is good. Oh well.
Yeah, I gotta get my daughter's
It's pork sticks, darling.
pork.
Yeah.
Where from?
You know the Filipino shop before when you head back to Happy's?
Oh,
Yeah. There. And they even have Just gonna drink watermelon. I'm gonna show you guys something. Oh, where's my book? Where's my book? You know?
Hey, that's another story. We gotta go away. I gotta go somewhere.
No,
I got an appointment.
no. Anyway, guys, look at this. It's Crystal's. I call it Crystal, but if your name's Crystal, sorry about that. But look how pretty this book is. It's got a power thing, and it's a cookbook, right? And inside it, she says she's got her grandma's recipe. Check her up on Facebook, guys, or Instagram, or wherever she's on. Yeah, and there's another recipe at the back. So inside, guys, you can add your own recipes. I am so excited about this book. I said to my husband I should have got 2 because I love writing recipes on books, and this book will become my favorite book too. I'm gonna transfer all my recipes that I've written down over the years, and I'm gonna put it into this book. I love the colors of the power shell. So guys, look her up and add her on to your Facebook or Instagram. Guys, show some love and support for our Kiwi girl. And I got this mask off her. Okay. And I also bought some Pijawa lollies. Yum! Oh, I love this book. I love this book. So excited. Anyway, guys, thank you all so much for hanging out with us and having a mukbang. He's going to go back and get the chicken sticks or the pork sticks for our kids. And what's that? Sugarcane drink for who? Chalora. And I'm going to sit here and finish off my food. Okay? So far, so full.
Thanks for hanging out with us.
Yeah, thanks for hanging out. Look at him trying to take off. And yeah, it was beautiful food. Guys, if you guys can get here, Parklea Market, they open in the weekends. Come down and buy you guys some food. This barbecue is delicious. And then you can stop over to Cafe's Kai and get some kina, or get a plate of seafood basket. It's so yum, and it's crunchy, and that wasn't as crunchy because by the time we walked here, he had it in a plastic bag, but it's really delicious. Stop reversing, guy. Oh my gosh, he's going to reverse into our cup. See, I'm not a nervous driver. I'm just a nervous passenger. Okay, anyway, I'll say goodbye. You guys all take care, okay?
Goodbye from her.
And him. Take care, guys. Kia manuia, fasoi fua.